Are you having problems with your FLL challenge? Well, we're here to help. And our first step is to identify the problem. And to do that, you need to make sure you figure out what's going wrong, what's going well, and clearly identify what the issue is that you're encountering with your team.
So you've identified your problem. What's next? The next step is to view the model of the kickoff and remember what you're trying to achieve in this challenge. Next, you want to look at diagrams to organize your ideas, and there's many different type of diagrams you can use, but the one I like is a flow chart. And when you use a flow chart, you'll get a clear view of what you're trying to accomplish, and you and your team can come up with many different ideas.
After brainstorming and coming up with tons of solutions, you're going to want to divide them into 3 sections. Which ones are the simplest, which ones are the easiest to accomplish, and which ones are the most effective in trying to achieve the goal. Keeping all of these 3 in mind will be super helpful when you're trying to formulate a game plan in order for you to be successful during the game.
A game plan is important to finding solutions to problems because a game plan will help you be organized and efficient while working. The first step in creating your game plan should be to decide the best or ideal solution to the problem. From there, lay out steps that need to be taken in order to achieve your goal. And finally, assign different steps that you laid out to different team members depending on their strengths and weaknesses.
So the last step is to finally select your solution and test it. Now you want to make sure that you apply the solution in the best way possible to minimize mistakes and to completely fix your problems. To do this, you want to meet up with your team, discuss, and then execute.